Hello. Nature is very peaceful. It's doing its thing. I'm in India at the Sri Narayani Holistic Healing Centre, which is in the south of India. A little town called Vellore, near Chennai, about a 3-hour drive from Chennai. And it's been created as a healing centre, Ayurveda and Siddha medicine healing centre. It's part of a big temple complex called Sri Puram, Sri Narayani Peedam, where there has been a lot of sacred mantra performed, sacred ceremonies, sound healing happens here every day. And I thought I would share some of the peace, because in our busy lives we can get very caught up in the stress, the anxiety, the worry, and sometimes breathing, being in nature really resets us. This is a very amazing place to reset, because it is like a vortex of healing energy that's been specifically created by sort of healing masters and spiritual masters. So it does have a particular feel and a vibration. It's like different notes of a musical instrument have a different resonance in our body, and they feel different to us. This location has its own special vibe, and so when you come here without doing anything, it's like you're meditating all the time, which is very, very precious. And I'm sure many of you might have had an experience. You might remember when you were perhaps doing something that you loved and you felt that kind of expansive feeling, like you had grown larger and your focus was very clear and time stops. So a lot of that goes on here. Anywhere in nature, though, is very beautiful and gives you that essence of being in the moment. It's a beautiful place to practice your mindfulness, breathing, focusing on the breath as you walk slowly. Where I am in this location at the moment, this is a little beautiful garden that's out the back. I'll put some photos of the other parts of the centre later on. So this has been created to mindfully walk around, and so you might like to just breathe in the energy of this place. If anyone's ever interested in coming to India or on retreats here, I'll be here in India till the 7th or 8th of October this year. So plenty of time to hop on a plane and come on over. Check it out. I'll be your guide and mentor. We can do meditation, show you around the temples. There is healing opportunities here at the centre, where you can have treatments for any health conditions, all sorts of things. And I'll post the link for the website for the Sri Narayani Holistic Healing Centre. And everything can be arranged. There's a beautiful accommodation here, comfortable, private rooms, and you get to stay here. The food's all prepared, lovely Indian Ayurvedic style food that is to support your healing journey. So I hope you're having a wonderful day, and just take some time to breathe, close your eyes, and take yourself to your favourite place in nature and enjoy. Breathe into the ground and be connected and grounded. Oh, by the way, I do have a weekly Stress Less at Work class. I better post about that as well. It's on Tuesday nights, Sydney time, 7:30 p.m. for 1 hour. So come and join me there if you feel called. Anytime, reach out with a message or a question, and have a beautiful day.